Hello everybody, I'm Lucas, co-founder and CEO of Gleap. I've come in here to show you what Gleap can do for you and give you a quick tour through our tool. For the purpose of this video, we've already integrated our SDK. If you're interested in how to integrate Gleap into your app, website or web app, check out our other videos. So let's get started. Our Gleap widget is now integrated into this demo website. Let's report this bug we found here. End users can simply mark the bug by clicking and dragging. In the next step, users write an optional description, add their email address so you can reach them directly, and submit. Now let's take a look into the Gleap app. Boom! Here's our bug report. In the first step, you get the annotated screenshot with the description. You can assign somebody to the bug report, change the priority, and most of all, you can directly reply to your users to get more information or let them know you fixed the bug. You can also send an internal note to a coworker of yours. Under the Session Data tab, you find all important information you need, including the user's device, browser and system info, screen size, and so on. This will help you reproduce the bug and identify potential problems in no time. Next, we have the activity log. For a better understanding of what's happening within your website, we allow you to monitor all console and network logs right here. Under the Custom Data tab, we provide info on all custom data you've set for you. And finally, there's our action replay. Under this tab, you can see a user's last steps before a bug occurred. This really is the ultimate key to reproducing bugs at the speed of light. Now that was our bug reporting section. Let me quickly walk you through our other types of feedback you can easily collect with Gleap. And this is totally up to you as you guys choose what your Gleap widget looks like. With our ratings, you can let your users rate their journey through your website and get an indication on how happy they are with it. Next, we have our general inquiries section. Here you can communicate with your users one-on-one if they have general or support questions. It's super easy. The next board is our product roadmap, showing you all the features users requested. By having your team and users vote on feature requests with your very own product roadmap board, which you can also embed in your website, you can make informed product development decisions. A powerful way to discover what your users really want. Last but not least, you can create customer feedback surveys with Gleap. This really makes us a complete customer feedback tool. I want to quickly walk you through the flow of creating a survey with Gleap. You can choose between our templates or create a custom survey from scratch. It's completely up to you. To really show you guys how to set up a survey, I'm going to go with a custom template. Let's say I want to test Gleap's customer experience. So the first question I want to ask my users is how easy to use they find Gleap on a scale of 1 to 5. Therefore, I choose the question type 1 to 5. Put in my question, how easy to use do you find Gleap? I set the value labels and choose whether I want this question to be a required field or not. Next, I want to know in a bit more detail how we could improve our customer experience. So I choose long text as question type to give my users an opportunity to explain themselves and put in my question. That's it. My survey is ready to go. Under options, I then choose whether I want to collect the email addresses of my users and set a thank you message. Finally, we need to set an audience. You can choose whether you want to send the survey via email or trigger it directly on your website through our SDK. I'm going to go with the SDK. In the next step, you can choose whether you want to send your survey to a fixed set of people or dynamically. Fixed means you're sending the survey out right now to a fixed number of people. Whereas under dynamic, you can select a certain event that triggers the survey for all users now and in the future. I'm going to launch my survey to all users now. So let's hit launch. On our website, we can now see that the survey is automatically triggered. Super easy, right? And the best part, it gives such great insights because you users are the ones who actually use your tool on a daily basis and know best. In the next step, we will take a more detailed look at the Gleap's feedback widget and how you can customize it to maintain your branding and fit your needs exactly. In the general section, you can adapt the welcome message, add your own logo, change the colors, and even hide the Gleap branding depending on your plan. Under menu items, you can decide what kind of feedback you want to collect by adding or deleting menu options. Our widget is really super flexible there. By enabling our crash detector, a bug is automatically triggered whenever a JavaScript error occurs. You even have the option to send a crash report silently or let the user describe what they saw. Same goes for the Gleap rage click detector. So much for our widget configurator. Finally, I want to take a more detailed look at our integrations. We really don't want to get in the way, which is why we offer lots of integrations for you to fully automate your workflow. If your tool of choice is not listed, you can always use a peer or reach out to us with a suggestion. Let's say we want to integrate with Trello so that all our bug reports get sent to our dev team who works on Trello. So we click connect and then allow Gleap to access our Trello account. After the accounts are connected, you can select the project and list you want the reports to be shipped to. And you can choose what kind of feedback types you want to send in the first place. For our purpose, we just want to send bug reports. Hit save and you're all set. From now on, all the bug reports will directly be sent to Trello board. Now that was a brief demo of what Gleap can do for you from bug reporting to customer feedback service. If you want to take a deep dive into how to integrate Gleap, please check out our other videos. If you have further questions or would like to book a private demo with someone from our team, simply reach out to us. I cannot wait to welcome you as part of the Gleap family soon.